Good day, friends. If you own a P90 gel blaster, you will always encounter the typical problem of gel ball's space capacity for its magazine. You also encounter the issue of loading the gel balls every time you ran out of ammo during the games. You will definitely lose your momentum, as it would like a lot of your time loading in your gel balls in your P90 magazine. So I'm going to show you on how to increase the space for our P90 magazine so as to accommodate more gel balls. We can do this by doing some modifications using a used hand wash bottle. We need to make a hole on top of the magazine where the hand wash soap bottle will be placed. Aside from that, we need to have a foot-long nylon string. This will help in pulling back the plunger head when loading gel balls to the magazine. Okay, time to mark the bottle. We'll mark it around. This is where we will make cut around later. So we're going to mark the magazine where the gel balls will get in from the hand wash soap bottle down to the magazine. We'll mark it near the plunger head inside the magazine when it is at rest. We'll be doing a square mark big enough for a good amount of gel balls to get easily down in the magazine. Okay, time to cut the marked line of the bottle by using a heated box cutter. We will be using a propane or butane blowtorch to heat up the box cutter. This will help us cut out neatly the marked line of the bottle easier. Just make sure you are not going to cut yourself. The hot blade of the box cutter can easily cut through the empty plastic hand wash soap bottle. We need to make sure we cut the neck of the bottle to clear off the protrusion and streamline to conform to the width of the gel blaster magazine. Now, we will use the removed part of the bottle as ramp slope inside the bottle, where the lowest will be placed near the hole of the magazine. This way, the gel balls will slide down easily into the hole. We need to shorten a bit the ramp slope by cutting down the end bit and enough not to cover the whole of the magazine. Okay, time to open up the P90 magazine. Let's make sure that we secure all screws. Finally open the magazine after some struggles. Okay, let's get the plunger head inside. We also need to secure the spring. Time to heat up the box cutter blade and cut a good hole at the marked area. We need to move the plunger head away while we are making the square hole. Otherwise, we will accidentally cut through the plunger head. We need to heat up a long pin and make a hole at the base where the magazine settle when it's inside the blaster. We also make a hole at the tip end of the magazine. These holes will be the access point holes for the nylon string to get in. Okay, let's get the plunger head inside, and we will make a hole for the nylon string to get in. All holes done. Time to insert the nylon string from the base of the P90 magazine. Going past through the spring. Going past through to the plunger head. We need to tie a big bulky knot at the end of the nylon string, making sure that it's not going to come off easily when pulling back the nylon string. Knotted ball is what we need. This is good enough. Let's put the plunger head into the slick guide. This is tricky. A bit of a struggle placing back the spring. It seems like it's got a mind of its own. Doesn't want to get in. Phew. Finally. The spring is in the right place. Time to put back all screws. Okay, time to load in the magazine and check out if the nylon string will work. Let's make a pull-up loop. This will make pulling easier. Very good. It's working well. Okay, let's get the cap and the threaded lip of this disposable drink. We will use this as our lid cap for the modified space for magazine. Let's mark it. Then we will use the heated box cutter and cut through a hole on the circled mark. Hole is done. Time to place the cap and the threaded lip. Let's make a tiny hole on the middle of the cap. This is where we insert a short nylon string to secure it. This will make sure the cap will not get lost during loading of gel balls in the magazine. We also need to make a hole near the base of the threaded lip. This is where we tie up the other end of the nylon. Imagine the scenario during game time. When we are rushingly loading gel balls at the middle of the game, then we end up misplacing the cap. But with this approach, the cap neatly secured by the nylon cord. Okay, time to secure the mount and the cap by using the hot glue gun. Apply the glue around the base. We make sure we surround the base with hot glue. Okay, time to secure the slide mount. Application of hot glue at the right place will ensure that it would stay in place. We're going to attach the empty hand wash bottle to the magazine by applying hot glue around the cut portion. We're nearly there. This time we need to reinforce the attached part of the empty hand wash bottle to the magazine. Matte black spray lightly touch the magazine, especially the top. Okay, time to load some gel balls. Let's pour in some more gel balls. We got windows on both sides to peek on the status of our gel balls inside the magazine. By pulling the nylon string, we can load in some more gel balls into the main magazine without any difficulties. No need to take off the magazine. If we ran out of ammo, then we just pull again the nylon string to load in some more gel balls. Okay, that's it for now. Until next time.